Question 1. If your car starts to skid, you should A. Steer in the direction of the skid. B. Steer opposite to the direction of the skid. C. Brake hard and immediately. Answer: A. Steer in the direction of the skid. Doing so will help realign the front and rear wheels, assisting you in regaining control. Question 2. A green painted curb signifies A. No parking zone. B. Limited time parking. C. Loading zone for passengers or mail. Answer: B. Limited time parking. Different curb colors denote different parking rules, and green typically means time-limited parking. Question 3. If a pedestrian is in a crosswalk, but on the other side of the road, you should A. Keep driving, they are not in your path. B. Stop and let them cross. C. Honk to alert them. Answer: B. Stop and let them cross. Always give pedestrians the right of way in crosswalks. Question 4. When you hear a siren but cannot see the emergency vehicle, you should A. Increase your speed to clear the area faster. B. Stop immediately wherever you are. C. Pull to the right and slow down. Answer: C. Pull to the right and slow down. Always make way for emergency vehicles. Question 5. At an intersection with a stop sign, you should stop and A. Wait for all vehicles to pass before proceeding. B. Yield the right of way to vehicles on the main road. C. Honk before proceeding. Answer: B. Yield the right of way to vehicles on the main road. Obey the stop sign and proceed when it's safe. Question 6. Motorists are required to allow blank when passing a bicycle. A. 1 foot. B. 3 feet. C. 5 feet. Answer: B. 3 feet. It's a safety standard to give cyclists ample space. Question 7. True or false? High beam headlights can make it more difficult to see when driving in fog. Answer: true. High beams will reflect off the fog and make it harder to see. Question 8. An orange triangular sign on the back of a vehicle indicates A. Slow-moving vehicle. B. Vehicle carrying hazardous materials. C. School bus. Answer: A. Slow-moving vehicle. This sign warns other drivers that the vehicle moves slower than regular traffic. Question 9. If two drivers arrive at an uncontrolled intersection at the same time. A. The driver on the right has the right of way. B. The driver on the left has the right of way. C. The driver going straight has the right of way. Answer: A. The driver on the right has the right of way. It's a general rule for uncontrolled intersections. Question 10. True or false? You should never drive beside a motorcycle in the same lane. Answer: true. Motorcycles deserve the full width of a lane for safety reasons. Question 11. Parking is not allowed. A. In an intersection. B. 100 feet before a stop sign. C. On a sidewalk. Answer: A. In an intersection. It's dangerous and obstructs traffic. Question 12. Hydroplaning can occur during A. Anytime. B. Rainy conditions. C. Snowy conditions. Answer: B. Rainy conditions. Hydroplaning occurs when a vehicle's tires ride up on standing water. Question 13. Before turning left, it is important to A. Sound your horn. B. Yield to oncoming vehicles. C. Turn on your interior light. Answer: B. Yield to oncoming vehicles. Safety first. Question 14. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means A. No passing is allowed for vehicles on either side. B. Passing is allowed for vehicles next to the broken line. C. Passing is allowed only during daylight hours. Answer. B. Passing is allowed for vehicles next to the broken line. Question 15. True or false? If a bus is stopped on a road without safety islands, medians, or barriers, you must stop. Answer. True. This ensures children can safely cross the road. Question 16. A flashing yellow light at an intersection means A. Stop and yield to all traffic. B. Proceed with caution. C. The light is broken. Treat as a four-way stop. Answer. B. Proceed with caution. Be alert and aware of your surroundings. Question 17. You may cross solid white lines. A. When making a turn. B. To change lanes. C. Only when it is safe to do so. Answer. C. Only when it is safe to do so. These lines indicate you should stay in your lane unless a change is necessary for safety. Question 18. True or false? Using a hands-free device to talk on the phone while driving is completely safe. Answer. False. Even with hands-free devices, phone conversations can still be a significant distraction. Question 19. If an emergency vehicle is approaching from the opposite direction on a divided highway, you should A. Stop immediately. B. Continue driving but monitor the situation. C. Pull over to the right until the vehicle has passed. Answer. B. Continue driving but monitor the situation. On a divided highway, if the emergency vehicle is on the opposite side, there's usually no need to pull over. Question 20. In a roundabout, you should A. Yield to traffic already in the roundabout. B. Speed up to merge swiftly. C. The vehicle on the right always has the right of way. Answer. A. Yield to traffic already in the roundabout. Vehicles already in the roundabout have the right of way.